How to download and install AOL app. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the AOL application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device. And in the search bar of the upper section, you have to simply tap and search for AOL. Once you do that, you will be easily able to see this application. Simply tap on install option, which is at the right hand side of the app, and it will take a few minutes to download, which depends upon your internet connection. Once you download the app, you can either create a new account or you can log into your current account, and from over there you will be able to use the various services. This app is all about managing your digital life by sending mail, and it's secure and it will help you to send the email fast, and you can also send the news and weather to the person that you want. You can easily organize your receipts in one place, and you can track your package, and here are many more services of AOL. You can simply create your account and use it. And after a few seconds, you can see AOL application has been installed on the device. You can simply tap on open and you can go for further process. So this is how you download and install AOL app. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.